Today is an exciting day for Limerick. We're here at the Limerick Innovation Virtual event live at the Confirm Centre, the inaugural and first of these showcasing of innovation in Limerick. It's like the toy show for tech. It's giving us an insight into digital transformation and innovation in the Midwest region. Today's event comes under the Smart Limerick banner. Smart Limerick is all about people first, understanding people's needs and finding innovative ways of using data and technology to meet those needs.
This event is a huge showcase for the innovation that's happening here in Limerick, in the Midwest and indeed across the country. But importantly, there's huge opportunities now for innovation. For example, the Shannon Estuary, where we'll now be looking at new technologies, green technologies and the innovations that we're now going to need to meet our climate change requirements.
The Smart City event today highlights the level of innovation in Limerick, and it also highlights the number of stakeholders involved. It is really a showcase for quintuple helix innovation, where the city, the government, the businesses, communities, the university all work together in order to change the life of people in the city. This kind of collaboration brings innovation to life and really makes a change to people's life in the city.
I think that there's something really special happening, and I think we're on this cusp of something that we need to grasp and bring it even further. This is probably the start of how we can start telling that story.
This event is a really great example of collaboration. Being here with the Limerick Council, with the education institutions such as the University of Limerick, the Technical University of the Shannon as well, which is a very new university here in Limerick. We've seen a number of private companies here as well, Fab Lab, through the Smart Cities programme. We have our connections in Europe as well, in Urbact. So look, this collaboration and diversity of voices is where innovation comes from.